Hello there everybody, just a heads up to let you all know that the drawings for the AMAX 3636 CNC Router are on Patreon right now, as well as all the parts list and where I got everything from and how much I paid for it. Which brings me to a little bit of a bad point actually. It pains me to convey this message to you, but I will be dispensing with the SMC5-5-N-N controller and converting this to Mach 3 or Mach 4. The reason for that is because I have taken this controller and made quite a few videos about it saying it's not a bad product and I quite like it. Well, the Chinese distributors have decided they're selling so many of them, they put the price up to $1,200 each. So I encourage you not to buy them because the price of this should be $500 at the most. And in my view, they're doing the wrong thing. So I'm dispensing with this controller and I'm going to Mach 3 or Mach 4. In actual fact, I've asked my patrons to indicate to me what they would rather see me do. And I must apologise for encouraging you guys to even consider getting one of these controllers. Although it's very good and I like it, they've done the wrong thing. So that's where I stand, and please like and subscribe, and if you would like to become a patron, all my build drawings and assistance is available on Patreon for those of you who might need it. So thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a look at some of my other build videos, and don't forget we're going Mach 3 or Mach 4. So it's bye for now.